Good morning, students. It is a lecture 3 of chapter 7 for class 11 CBSE and RBSE both. Okay. Today we will discuss about the prediction of direction of a reaction. Prediction of direction of a reaction. कि कोई भी जो रिएक्शन हो रही है whether it will move towards forward or it is move towards backward. Okay. So to understand this, we have a reaction like AA plus BB equals to C plus D, C and D. Okay. Here capital A, capital B are reactants. Clear? C and D में this is product. Small a, B, C and D. Number of moles. Clear? For this reaction, if a reaction is going in both direction, okay, then if reaction is going in both direction, it means reaction is in equilibrium. Clear? It is forward reaction, it is backward reaction. Okay. So there is another term that is called Q. Okay. It is reaction quotient. It is reaction quotient Q. Q क्या होता है? It is again same. It is like okay, it is react and it is also equals to AC. It is reaction quotient, it is concentration, equilibrium, constant. Concentration, equilibrium, constant. If we are taking concentrations of reactants and products, then it is concentration, equilibrium, constant, and if we are taking pressure, partial pressure, then it will be Kp. Kp क्या होगा? Kp will be partial pressure, equilibrium, constant. Okay. There are three conditions. Number one, if Q is equals to Kc. Number two, if Q is equals to Kc, then reaction is in equilibrium. If Q is less than Kc, then reaction is forward reaction only. And if Q is greater than Kc, then reaction is backward. Okay? Clear? Means you have to remember this equation that if reaction quotient is less than equilibrium constant, in that case you can understand in this way. It is reactant, it is product. Okay? It is reactant, it is product. We can draw a diagram like here is no diagram I have drawn. If reactant Okay. If reactant and products are equal, then it is in equilibrium. If reactants are more and product are less and reactants are converted into product, then it is forward reaction. And if products are more and reactants are less, then reaction moves in this direction, and this is called backward reaction. Okay? Clear? So you have to remember this condition. For example, we do a question. Question is, we can say like in a reaction, question is like 2A is equal to B plus C. Okay? In this reaction, Kc is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Kc is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So equilibrium, concentration equilibrium constant is given. And concentration of A is equals to B is equals to C, and it is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 m. 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 capital M. Okay? Then you have to find out the direction of reaction. Direction of reaction. ठीक है? How you will calculate? You will calculate Q. Q will be concentration of B, concentration of C upon concentration of A का square. Okay? Putting the value from this, 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 upon 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into 3 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Square means just double. Okay? So it will cross, then it becomes equals to 1. Okay? The value of Q is 1. The value of Kc is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3, which is large. Q is large. Q is large. So the direction is, you have Q1, Kc 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 means 0.00. Which is large? This or this? This. So this will be. So what is this? It tells about the reaction will be backward. Okay? So we can calculate the reaction of a direction of a reaction by calculating Q and Kc. Clear? Okay? So now we will solve numericals. Okay? Clear? How we will predict the direction of a reaction with the help of reaction quotient. Okay? Now we have to calculate Kp. If a reaction is like, we can say PCl 5 is dissociating in PCl3 and Cl2, or we can say calculation of Kp. Reaction is N2O4 is converting into 2NO2. Okay? Kp is like this. How you will calculate? To calculate Kp in terms of X, x. X is the degree of dissociation. When time is 0, it is 1 mole, it is 0. At time t, its x is converted into product. So at time t, it remains 1 minus x. It remains 2x. Okay? Clear? First we are calculating Kc. Okay? These are the moles. These are the moles. Okay, number of moles. If I divide by this B, then Kc will be NO2 square upon N2O4, that is equals to 2x by V square divided by 1 minus xV, that is 4x square V square into V upon 1 minus x. B cancel out, then Kc will be 4x square upon 1 minus xV. Clear? Okay? So Kc will be this. And if we have to calculate Kp for this reaction, same will be like this. Again, N2O4, that is converting into 2NO2. When time is 0, it is 1 mole, it is 0. At time t, if x is dissociated, then 1 minus x and then x. Okay? Then total number of moles will be total number of moles at t time will be 1 minus x plus 2x. That will be equal to 1 plus x. Okay? So what will be Kp? Kp will be PNO2 square upon PN2O4. Clear? PNO2 square will be, what will be PNO2 square? It will be 2x 1 plus x P. It is the partial pressure. Partial pressure means number of moles of NO2 upon total number of moles of reaction, whole reaction, and P. Okay? And it will be 1 minus x upon 1 plus x P. Solve this. It will be 4x square P square upon 1 plus x square 1 minus x 1 plus x, and this will be P. P से P cancel, 1 plus x से 1 plus x, so you will get 4x square P upon 1 minus x whole square. That will be your Kp. Okay? So in this way you have to calculate Kc and Kp. And what is the relation between Kp, Kc? Kp, Kc for this reaction, if we have to calculate Kp, Kc relation, then it will be RT and delta N will be 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Okay? Delta N क्या हो जाएगा? Delta N will be 2 minus 1. That will be equal to 1. Okay? So Kp will be equals to Kc RT. So this will be like that. So you have to calculate in this way Kp, Kc and the reaction. That reaction is following in which direction. Okay? So if the concentration is given, if direct concentration is given, then you have to put the values in this reaction. If the reaction is given in terms of x, then you have to use this equation. If direct Kp is calculated by giving pressure, then you have to use this equation. But if value is given in terms of x, then you have to use this equation. So by using number 1 equation, number 2 equation, number 3 equation or number 4 equation, you can solve the numericals. Okay? Thank you.